So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add lines with arrows in your Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, just go to the top to where it says Shapes and press on Shapes. Then make sure that basic right here is selected. Now what you want to do is go hover over top of this bar right here where it says Line Arrow or Line with an Arrow, and go ahead and press on this. So what you can actually do is you can change the angle, you can change how long or how small the arrow is. You can also go to the right here and actually increase the size of this, making it more or less. I guess large, depending on how much you want. You can actually make the stick right here big while keeping the arrow point the exact same size. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to add line arrows or lines with arrows to your Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.